Yo guys, what's up? This is your boy Dawman here today for another vlog. But I'm really sorry that I was unable to upload videos for quite a while. It's been around 3 weeks since I last posted a video. I've been so crazy busy that I was unable to even edit my videos. There are heap loads of videos on my laptop, and there are more stuff to do as well. And the reason why I went to Kohima for that is I have to replace some parts on my vehicle. My vehicle failed on me while I was trying to go somewhere, and then it really gave me a hard time for that one. So I really wanted to repair it during this lockdown period, but I'm not sure whether it will be successful or not, but hopefully it will be repaired after replacing that one. And so with the help of my cousin, we decided to give it a check what exactly could be the problem. At first we suspected that it could be the pump and the injectors to the engine as well. So we decided to give it a check. And we've tried multiple times to crack up the engine and see if it fires up. And yes, sure enough, you were able to find out that it was the pump and the injectors which were not properly pumping the fuel, and that has caused problem to the engine, and which made the engine shut off itself. And now let's get to the video.
Highschool lang. 지금 내가 두번 누클리 제도 준비. No, mezzuna. 나가 사다. 나가 사다. 따라디야. 따라디야. Go into long road. 아래기. 엉킬라이디.
Highschool diesel.
Highschool.
Hello guys, what's up? We are actually on our way to visit our friend here in Kohima. So we are heading to his room right now, his apartment. A few hours after visiting our friend, our brother, we decided to go back home. And we started heading back slowly and steady. After leaving our friend's home, on the way we encountered this. Let's rewind it. The driver didn't give any indicators, nor did he give any hand signals to merge into the traffic, which could have led to a major accident. shock and surprise, but we decided to give it a go. And if the driver is wise enough, he would learn his lesson from that very incident. And back at home, I couldn't help but post this short video of my adorable niece, who was very fascinated by the camera we were carrying around. Is there any interesting thing you have done during this past few weeks?
I think no.
No? Okay. Just watching TV, that's all?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a new movie, Picker movie.
Picker, is that an animation or...
Don't tell you it's a secret.
Apart from that, what's your favorite movie? Just tell me.
I want to tell you it's Kill. No. Then you would have a favorite movie. Elsa?